Proceedings at the Presidential Commission of Inquiry today have revealed startling information on bond transactions. Newsfirst.lk reports on the bond gate.
Deputy General Manager of Treasury at Pan-Asia Banking Corporation PLC, Richie Dias, was cross-examined by the attorney for Perpetual Treasuries Limited. During the process, Deputy Solicitor General Milinda Gunatilaka pointed out that other parties have joined in the transactions that took place between Perpetual Treasuries Limited and the Employees Provident Fund, with Pan-Asia Banking Corporation acting as an intermediary. He said there was a pattern and the other parties have sold securities similar to rates used by PTL to sell to the EPF. Richie Dias was questioned on a series of 32 documented transactions. Attorney for PTL pointed out, in some transactions, the securities movement from the client to PABC and back have not been documented. The witness said it was a shortcoming from the back office of PABC that the steps were not documented. However, he said the final step, which is the sale to the EPF, was documented. He testified that this was also mentioned to the central bank auditors in March 2016. However, the audit report was never revealed. The attorney for PTL said the oversight of PABC was a serious violation, to which Deputy Solicitor General remarked that Perpetual Treasuries had done the same on many occasions. Of the 32 transactions in question, almost 15 transactions involved former chairman of PABC Nimal Pereira and his firm NP Capital. All transactions were to the EPF, with PABC being used as an intermediary. The total volume of government securities sold to the EPF by Nimal Pereira and NP Capital using PABC as an intermediary in these transactions was 8.5 billion rupees. The witness testified that the rates for the securities of Nimal Pereira and NP Capital sold to the EPF were pre-arranged. Several other companies have also sold securities to the EPF through PABC using this window. They are Navara Capital Limited, Virtual Investment and Trading Lanka Private Limited, Trillion Investments Limited, Tradies Holdings and Withawell Private Limited. These companies have made their sales at a similar rate, which led the chairman of the commission, Justice K.T. Chittusiri, to wonder if Nimal Pereira had given the rates to the other parties. The commission said it wished to know the directors and shareholders of these companies. Richie Dias said PABC was merely carrying out the instructions of their former chairman and their clients. The former chairman of PABC had traded securities through First Capital Holdings PLC, which is also a primary dealer. Richie Dias believed that market rates were rigged and manipulated, as rates of short tenure bonds were at times similar to those of long tenure bonds, adding that at times high rates drop at an unusual pace. After giving evidence of more than a week, the recording of evidence of Richie Dias, the Deputy General Manager of Treasury at the Pan-Asia Banking Corporation, concluded today. Tomorrow, another witness will be summoned before the Commission to elaborate on the market conditions. From the Presidential Commission of Inquiry, Zulfikar Farzan for News First.